life was easy. It was you and me and fireworks in the dark. We were fun. I loved how you needed me. You slipped so easily into my heart. And I ain't blaming you for growing older. Every day's a step away from 21. Just like I can't blame my heart for getting bolder. When the race is over, I still wanna run. Don't wanna wash your dirty dishes anymore. When I was 5, I caught some fireflies. They lit up like little stars in my room. And I cried when I realized that the fire dies if you try to close it in. And I ain't blaming you for growing older. Every day's a step
Vídeo si tenia.
After all, that's what hearts are
Home, és que la
for.
Júlia... Mira això aquí.
Little babe, sleepy days in a city bathed in sun. Tiny birds sing the words to a song I've never sung. I only had to see you once to know that something good was coming out like lucky stars and shining like it should. Now I'm starting to forget those days. It feels sweeter than I ever thought it could. There's no going back, I know I never would. 'Cause I've tried it all, and I've followed the tune. And on my way, I found you. Ain't it strange, at my age you think I'd know what I'm about? Then on a dime, it's you I find that I just can't live without. Now I'm afraid you have to stay and help me see this through. I'd like to keep on finding out why you're just too good to lose. If every moment that I've spent with you was put on tape and on a shelf for show, I'd label every one of them in gold. 'Cause I've tried it all, and I've followed the tune, and I've found myself, and on my way.
Bueno.
Found you. She walked out those swinging doors and floated to the moon. When the world is loving you for the things that you can do, you get high. Honestly and desperately, I know it's nothing new. I want it all to last. It just comes and goes so fast.